let's check the question. Love and Kush are partners of a partnership firm. They distribute 60% profit in the ratio of 3:2 and remaining in proportion of 2:1. From the trial balance of the firm dated 31/3/17 and adjustments, prepare profit and loss, appropriation account, current account of partners and balance sheet of the firm. Now, trial balance is given. Love and Kush, capital and drawings will directly go to capital, will go to balance sheet, and drawings will go to current account. Then current account, उसमें Love has a debit balance, Love has a credit balance, and Kush has a debit balance. Profit and loss account already given, so it is your on the credit side, so it is your net profit. Stock, closing stock, asset, prepaid insurance, asset, building asset, debtor and creditor, 80,000 asset and 28,000 liability. वहाँ पे amount के पास लिखना. Then cash and bank balance. Cash 4,800 asset and bank 20,000 liability. Bills payable liability. Mortgage loan liability. Goodwill asset. Outstanding wages liability. Receivable rent asset. Commission received in advance liability. Bad debt reserve deduct from debtors. Patent asset, furniture asset, trial balance tallying. Okay, now rest all adjustments over here are connected with the partners. So first let's do the trial balance, then we go for adjustments. Capital, $1,20,000 and 80,000. Current account debit balance is 12,000 for Kush. So 1,416 to balance bought forward. Buy balance bought forward 8,000. Now write drawings 31/3. Two drawings 40,000 12,000. Profit and loss account. By profit and loss account 80,000. Stock, closing stock 72,000. Prepaid insurance premium 3,200. Building 1,60,000. Debtors 80,000. Now debtors there is an adjustment. So inner column. The adjustment is of bad debt reserve given already in the trial balance. Creditors 28,000. Cash 4,800. Bank balance 20,000. Bills payable 14,000. Mortgage loan 1 lakh. Goodwill 40,000. Outstanding wages 28. Receivable rate 16. Commission received in advance 8. Bad debt reserve 8,000. Patent 12,000. Furniture 24,000. Let's start with adjustments. Interest on capital 6%. So capital जो है उसका interest on capital so 31,370 by interest on capital. What's the percentage? 6%. 7,200, 4,800. Partners current account credit, profit and loss appropriation account debit, to interest on capital. Drawings. Interest on drawing 10%. Are you all able to do this? अगर कोई नहीं पता चले कोई डाउट हो तो प्लीज आस्क. ड्राइंग्स के नीचे इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स for the full year 10%, 4,012. But interest on drawings 10% interest on current account. Now current account, you have credit balance as well as debit balance. So we'll do one by one. First we start with credit, 31,370 by interest on current account. %, so 800. Second if इसका पहले दे देंगे. Current account credit, P&L appropriation debit to interest on current account. Bracket में credit balance. Low 800. Okay. Now debit 12,000. इसके नीचे इसका interest. So 31,300 to interest on current account. 1,200. current account debit, appropriation account credit. Monthly salary of 1800 is outstanding payable to Kush. Debit side लिखो to salary Kush. How much? 21,600. Second effect. My salary 21,600 Kush. After information of the above adjustment on remaining profit, 10% commission is payable to Kush. Okay, so now let's first find out the profit. 86,400. This will remain the same. इसमें कोई change नहीं. 86,400. First to commission. Who is given the commission? Kush. Okay. Kush को commission दे दो 52,000. 52,000 into 10%. 5,200. Give the second effect. 31,317 by commission. 5,200. And then two partners current account. $46,800. 46,800. So we have to distribute. So working note. Love and Kush. First, 60% of profit in. What's the ratio? 3:2. So first find out 60% of 46,800. 46,800 का 60%, which is equal to 28,080 into 3 is 2. So into 3 by 5 and into 2 by 5. So what's the amount for love? 1648 and Kush 232. Okay, remaining. So balance how much? 46,800 minus 28,080. 720. In 2 is to 1. So 6240 and 12,480. Do the totals. Two 9,328 and 17472. Is this the answer?
Yes.
Okay. Transfer it over here. 29328 and 17472. $46,800. पता चला? Okay. Second effect. By profit and loss appropriation account 29328 17472. Now balance it, please. Now do one by one. Credit side is more. Okay. So credit side What's the total? 45328. Same total you write over here. 45328. 313. Two balance carried forward. 1328. 1328. ये डेबिट बैलेंस है या क्रेडिट बैलेंस है? ये क्रेडिट बैलेंस है because credit side is more than debit side. Please don't forget this. इसको गलती से भी अगर तुमने डेबिट बैलेंस समझ के डेबिट साइड यानी असेट साइड लिख दिया तो your balance sheet will not tally. Is this clear? And that is why what we do is we immediately transfer over here by balance carried bought forward. Over your credit side we write down 1328. पता चला? ओके, जो साइड ज्यादा है वो तुम्हारा बैलेंस है. ओके, तो अकॉर्डिंगली उसको बैलेंस शीट में लिखना. सो ओवर योर करंट अकाउंट लव 1328. Let's see what happens with Kush. Which side is more? Credit side is more again. Oh, fantastic. What's the total? 49,072. Same we write over here 49072. Balance it. 2272. Push. Again credit balance. Credit balance यानी it comes off the liability side. Is this clear all of you? Working करना please. Please do this working. Important for distribution of profit. What's the total? 3, 8, 9, 6, 0, 0. 3,89,600. It should match.